So I'm here with Hindrek Reiman of Degritter.
Yes.
And you have on display your new, very large machine, the sort of bigger brother to the Degritter Mark II, the Fonoteek. Do you want to explain how this thing works?
Yeah, so basically it's with an identical ultrasonic system to the Degritter Mark II, but in addition to the ultrasonic, it also has a brush cleaning system inside. So basically it uses a spiral brush to lead away the dust from the record and do the basically the pre-cleaning for the ultrasonic. It has an adjustable brush system, so if you want to adjust tension to brush the record with a firmer touch of the brush, then it can be done. Or if you want it to be a little bit lighter on the record, you can also do that. It also comes with a double tank system. So tank 1 is for the cleaning solution, distilled water with cleaning fluids, and tank 2 is basically for rinsing.
So it used to be that with the Degritter, you could have a separate tank that you manually switch to get a rinse cycle.
So this comes with the two tank system already integrated into the whole system, basically. So if you open the front panel, you can see an advanced filtering system. It has two Brita filters for purifying the rinse water. It also has a particulate filter for catching the large particles. The machine also comes with a UVC light to kill any microbial growth in the machine. It also has some safety features like the leak detector. So if anything should happen to the machine, it will immediately stop any program it's doing and will display an error message if anything is wrong. Similar to the Mark II, it has a USB slot on the side. It will have software updates, and all the programs are customizable to your choosing. If you don't want to use the brush cleaning, you can turn it off. If you want to use all of these features like brush, ultrasonic, rinsing, you can turn all of these like up to the maximum.
And so the brush system then, what does that provide that the ultrasonic cleaning cannot?
This gets rid of the surface dust and the bigger particles, which the ultrasonic is more concentrated on the inner part of the groove.
And are these shipping now?
These will start shipping in July.
Okay, and do you have pricing?
We don't have an official price list yet, but the price will come to about €6,900.
Okay. So a little bit extra over that in the US.
Yes, but in a similar range.
Similar range. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, all the best.